the mods again. I'm so smiling ear to ear.
No, it comes like that, but it ups the number.
So can we tell the audience who's watching this video that yesterday was the first time that he took me for a ride, and the first time that I drove it. It was the craziest first impressions.
Yeah.
And my GoPro recorded no audio. That's why today we have literally 3 audio sources going. We have that GoPro, we have this GoPro, we have an internal mic, and then we got.
If one fails, we have 2 more. If we have 2,
and if all fails, at least I got exhaust to make it right.
So yeah, so that was like very interesting. That was the first time I personally had someone drive my car.
And then you said it felt awesome because in the passenger seat it feels so much. It feels faster because you get sucked in. When you drive, you're like attached.
Yeah, dude. And I was.
When you're sitting, you're like detached almost. You're just like.
You kind of feel you feel the wheel when you have the control of the wheel, so I guess it doesn't feel as fast. But what was I gonna say? So like the first impressions yesterday, like that was
fucking wild.
It was wild. Yes,
except there's like no audio.
I know. So it was really cool. So I'm happy that we're back and we can get some good quality footage and some sound clips out.
So let's go over the mods again. This is a 2017 340i X-Drive. It's a 4-door sedan, 6-speed manual, B58 engine, sleeper. Looks like a grandpa car.
Yeah,
it's a freaking sleeper. Performance-wise, you modified your exhaust by putting VSRF downpipes, high flow cat or catless?
It's catless.
Catless downpipes and what? Resonator delete?
Dual resonator delete.
So that, what other mods you have? CTS intake?
No, MST intake.
What? It said CTS, I thought.
That's the actual, it's a CTS filter.
Filter, okay.
Yeah.
So it's an open element filter intake, and then
it's just for noises, really.
Yeah, it's MHD stage 2 tune.
Stage 2 tune.
On 93 octane pump right now.
Yep, but I did the Supra pump. It's the TU1 pump because the OEM fuel pump on the
you said you
original,
fuel pump.
The original B58 motor. Like this car also has 80
stock injectors since you did a bigger fuel pump.
Stock injectors. Those are the next thing I'm about to do next. So I could do a little more of an E blend, I guess, right now. So
then the clutch isn't. It's a BMW. It's not this clutch, but
it's a 550i or a 350iS.
Okay,
clutch.
So it's just an upgraded BMW clutch
with a brand new flywheel. So I just to kind of because you can't really put
no other mod, stage 2 tune plus whatever. It's got the burbles, pops, bangs, whatever.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can adjust. I don't like it that much because I feel like I'm a classic like BMW a-hole, but.
No, it sounds nice,
It is, yeah.
Some people hate it, some people love it. I like it. Like, as long as it's not obnoxious, you don't got the ones that are like popping for like 2 minutes after you let go.
I try to get like the one like nice pop or something like that.
A little bit here and there. I think it adds some character. I have it to my Fiat, the Abarth, and all that.
These cars are just a pain though. I was trying to explain this to you yesterday. Like, there's so many little pieces on the inside, like this Alcantara, like M shift boot and all that stuff. This was like $300 dude, for nothing. So. But it's cool, but it's like with your cars and stuff, it's a work in progress. So I'm excited to be able to build this car and
because you got it how long? What? 2, 3, 4, 5 months?
About 5 months, and I've enjoyed it so much. So I've done all my performance stuff because I'm happy the way it feels the car right now, especially.
Now you gotta do suspension.
Yeah, exactly. That's next.
Like yesterday when you launched, I was like, it sounded awesome, but it was like floating.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some KWs or something. But it's an awesome car.
It's money, that's the problem. This shit's expensive.
Auto rev map doesn't work. It has the auto rev map.
Yeah, I'm surprised it has it. I don't know, because I guess all my BMWs are old. That's why.
Oh, that's another thing I did. I upgraded the brakes. I did a big brake kit, slotted and drilled with ceramic pads.
Sweet.
Because I noticed like any type of car where if the new Supras or any new BMW or any car, you straight.
Yeah, we're gonna go back up that road that we were doing, and then maybe we'll swap again, and I'll get to take you for a ride for once.
Yeah,
proper, and you can feel it again from the passenger seat.
Yeah, so like any newer car, I feel like once you put a tune on it, like the factory makes those cars specifically for just like the power puts out the brakes I'm talking about.
Okay.
So when you like upgrade or tune the car, and
you go faster, you gotta stop quicker.
Yeah, I mean like
you need more stopping power. A lot of people forget.
And I did the Carfax on this car, and this car had 4 rotors and pads, whatever, done like a couple thousand miles before I bought the car, and it's still like like when you're moving or you're trying to brake in a dime because this car picks up speed pretty fast.
Yeah.
It was really bad. But these new ones, the ceramic pads are awesome. They wear a little faster, but we're going straight. So I don't know what this is. Being weird, but yeah, no. In the MHD app, you can like shut it off, and I have it for full traction off, the no auto rev match. I'm probably been acting kind of funky lately, but I'm working on it.
You're in it?
Yeah, we're going to the third.
You're long?
Yep. And then just the rolling, you hold the grip reserve button, and you floor and let go.
I love that rolling outside.
That one sounded really cool. Mr. Livingston.
Not hearing me? Say slow down.
Man, he's not shooting radar, so I mean, he.
You were in the Eagle yesterday for the first time.
Oh my gosh, that was.
We'll talk about the Eagle for a bit.
That was next level. That.
Sharing how much you paid for it?
So it was after dealer, like the dealer BS they do and stuff. It was like 31,000. I bought it with.
Okay. I don't know what is a good or a bad price for this, but for the performance and what you're getting, that doesn't sound bad.
Well, it's only because it's a manual. The manuals are a little more expensive because everyone.
They're more sought after.
And they're made less of them.
For the enthusiasts. But
yes.
There's more of the other ones.
There's so many of the automatic ones. I'm just all my other cars are stick shift, so I'd rather pay a little more money. And it was also very hard to find one that was clean, kind of, or didn't have 150,000 miles on.
You can go in the left lane. We could actually, we could take this first turn and then come back around.
Yeah.
If you want, we could swap. I'll take you from back. Damn, it is windy out here. Holy shit. Oh my God, that door just collapsed on my knee. Fuck me. I literally heard it crunching, like it got me on the side. Oh, fuck.
I'm excited to hear it like this.
You, like I said yesterday, drive like a freaking gangster all the way back. You can't reach anything, and you're not even that much taller than me. I don't even think you're taller than me. I don't understand how you drive like this. We got crotch phone status over here. DrivenDistrict.com. Pick up some merch, performance parts.
That sounds awesome.
I actually want to get like a feel for it. I want to feel the steering. Yes,
I just put new tires on it too.
The throttle sensitivity, it's pretty sensitive. Assuming the MHD tune, you would adjust it.
Yeah, no, you can't adjust the throttle.
The sensitivity. I would be surprised. How does this sound?
It sounds fucking insane. That's actually crazy. How's it feel? It's pretty nimble too, honestly. It's a pretty nimble car.
Nice. Feels solid. You know, the steering could be a little. It does some
that anti-lag.
I gotta wait. I want to do like a more of a pull.
Yeah.
I gotta find that cop. I gotta see if he's still there. He probably is. It feels nice. What's the rolling anti-lag?
Reserve button, and you hold it, floor, and then let go of the button.
Ready?
Wow, that's some torque, dude. I didn't expect that. That was a wow, dude. How'd that feel over there? Because that felt
insane. I'm still smiling ear to ear.
Holy
that felt
crap,
awesome, bro.
Dude. That was next
sweet.
level. I never.
Those things flew off your head?
It flew off like backwards, dude.
Oh, man. Above 3.5.
Yeah, exactly.
4.
Yeah.
What should I be at to do the wrong?
Around 3,000 for, and then you floor it, and then or you hit the button, then floor it.
We'll do a second to third.
Yeah. She stops though. She stops.
Just tossing everything forward.
My tuning cable. That sounds really good. Wow, that sounds really good. That sounds.
You can't wait until the video's out. You're just like, I'm gonna wear this the entire time to listen to
dude,
it.
That sounds amazing. I love how I can still hear the injectors though. It's just so funny. The injectors on these cars are so loud.
It feels nice. It's strong. It's linear. It pulls up.
But yeah, this thing's
nice.
It's one of my favorite cars. I've been saving for this car for a while. So I had the Civic.
I remember, man. What'd you have after the Civic? You had another BMW too.
No, I was driving my mom's car for a little bit.
The Audi was the black.
Yeah, the black had a black S4, but that was the V8 one. So that thing was kind of a nightmare in maintenance. But other than that, was a really fun car. All-wheel drive V8, stick shift.
Is that when Audi? That was like similar to my E92 M3?
Yeah, that's when they had the 4.2 V8. But the timing chains were in the back. I had the motor locked up on me one time, so I paid, to get a new motor with upgraded timing chains and stuff.
So this is like give or take making about 400 to the wheels is what MHD is
on
like
93. On 93,
under 4. Or
no, it's right around 420 horsepower, 450 torque on just regular 93. And I've seen a couple of videos of people dyno tuning just the MHD off the shelf tunes. But on the E40 blend with this high pressure fuel pump, you're getting closer to 500 foot-pounds of torque, and then like 460 horsepower. But
wait, you said on E?
On E, like an E.
Okay, I was gonna say because it doesn't feel like that right now.
No, like an E blend, so like on an E40 blend with like a custom tune, you'll start making a little over 5. But then you're really pushing stuff. The automatic transmissions can't really hold that much power. The manual one's not really either.
You already have to upgrade it a little bit.
Yeah, and this is, if I do a custom tune on E50, I'd be pushing the limits of this clutch, and I would have to drop the transmission again, which I don't want to do. No way. This car was a pain to do the clutch and flywheel. The automatic is definitely still a fun car, but there's something about just putting the clutch in and that little pause in between the little shift and then building the boost up.
Yeah,
then hearing
this
all
could use a short throw.
It's such a pain in the ass to do it, but it 100% could.
Yeah. Can we turn off the whatever?
The auto rev, yeah.
Yeah, I want to try just doing it myself.
You got it. Well, now this is like the DSC off thing. The camera, backup camera's been on the whole time.
Is it off right now?
Yeah, now the auto rev match is off.
So now it's completely off.
Yep, completely off.
Okay.
The auto road's just kind of like a cheat code if you're trying to do back roads, which I love to do back roads.
I know, but the downshifting is the fun of driving stick for me too.
Yeah.
Like heel toe, I probably would take practice. I would need to practice on this car, but even just doing normal downshifts like that, I just enjoy it. Woo! That sounds nutty!
Yeah, that's fun, dude.
Naughty boy.
I want to put it on the.
What is your you got Instagram, TikTok? If people are watching, they want to see your content. And
yeah,
shit,
so mostly right now I've been trying to grow my Instagram, and I do TikTok as well. But I have a lot of cool videos of this car on my TikTok, and then my Instagram. So
what is it? You gotta. I'll put it on the screen if you send.
My Instagram is F30 Tony _ and then my TikTok is Tony 2 claps with the number 2.
2 claps.
Just that was like a funny name that I had just growing up with my friends. But yeah, so I try to post like, you know, a lot of me doing fun stuff with this car.
And if you're in New Jersey, North Jersey, and need detailing, you do that as well.
I totally forgot to mention that. Yeah,
that, you know, you could reach out directly to him via those
maybe
social media.
You ever see that right there? That G80 M3 right there?
Oh yeah, where's the camera? That camera would have got it.
I want one so bad.
It's funny, initially I didn't like it, but now...
Well, that motor puts out some ridiculous power, dude.
Yeah, but we got that front bumper upgrade kit that I have on Driven District from Adro. And
yeah.
Oh my god, it looks so sexy.
Yeah, so for any detailing needs, I've been working on growing my detail business. I will come to you, take a look at your car, and, you know, make it look brand new again. So,
there you go.
And then you and I will definitely, you know, be together, working together one day, Pat, so... Anything for Pat or me, you know where to find us. You know what's funny about this car? Because everyone looks. Like little kids love it. You
just hear it. It just sounds awesome.
Yeah, like people, teenagers are freaking.
It's like the sound's probably what makes people look.
Yeah.
Because initially it's just like, it's a dark gray BMW.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, you know what I mean? Like,
very visceral. The
some
sounds.
50-year-olds driving is whatever. But it's a sleeper. It's a 6-speed manual. It's got a fucking rocket of an engine. Cheat code city over here with the B58.
Yeah, that's what I've been saving for this thing for a while too. I love it. That's why
I didn't know it came with the B58s. That's crazy. I did not know that. I thought it was just those other ones or whatever. Like, what is the other? Isn't it a convertible or what is it? No, is it a convertible?
They have
What's the other?
What, the 440?
Is the B58 in the Z4?
Oh no, it's in the.
What is it?
It's in the Z4 and the new Supra.
Yeah,
and then like the 440s. Anything with the last 2 digits 40 has a.
What made you go with the 4-door instead of the 2-door? Just curiosity.
I think it's much more convenient because I always have people in my car. I always like, I really like giving people the experience and stuff. And
yeah, I would get this car in. Hold on, do they make the 440?
They make a Grand Coupe.
X-Drive?
Yeah, they have the 440 Grand Coupe, which is 4 doors.
No, the 4 Series designates 2 doors.
Yeah, but then they have the Grand Coupe version.
No, do they make this a B58 with a 6-speed manual in all-wheel drive?
Yeah.
In a coupe.
Yeah, and the X-Drive is in the 4 Series.
So they make a 440 X-Drive that has a 6-speed B58.
Yeah, yep.
That would be a perfect car for me. I would love that. That would be pretty sweet. Who's quicker, you or Dom with the Supra?
When I'm on my E30 map and he's on 93, I get him. But if he's 90, or if we're both on E, he destroys me because I'm manual.
Oh man, that was awesome. All right, if you guys enjoyed this and you want to see more mic'd up cars, because I haven't done it in a while, but I got a playlist.
We got a few more lined up.
Yeah, definitely. I got a playlist. I'll link in the corner, at the end screen, whatever. Definitely subscribe for more.
Yes.
Check out his stuff. Subscribe to Driven District. Follow on Instagram. Check out drivendistrict.com. Submerge, performance parts, all that good stuff. And we're gonna have more mic'd up cars, more content,
more
my
fun stuff.
Evo,
You'll see a little more of me too, guys. Definitely.
Hell yeah, I want you more on the channel. You know, you guys. This car is fucking awesome to drive, and you got some folks with nice cars that we can definitely feature on the channel.
We'll definitely, figure out some events too. So maybe some of the followers live locally. They can, come out and meet us and do some drives with us or something. So
sounds good, man.
Yep.
All right, we're out. Catch you guys soon.
Have a good one.